So hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to add Amazon reviews to your Wix website. So come on elfsight.com, go for widgets and go for Amazon reviews. Now click on create widget. Now choose any template you like and after that click on continue with this template. Now you have to put your Amazon URL here and you can also customize your template. After doing that, click on add to website. Now you just have to sign up for your elfsight account. After signing up, click on save button. And after that, you just have to click on this code to copy it. Now come to your editor.wix.com and click on add elements. After that, go for embed code and now go for HTML. Now click on this box, paste the code you have just copied and click on update button. And you guys can see the Amazon reviews on my Wix website. So if you find this video interesting and helpful, then please subscribe to our channel and I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, thanks for watching.